O-W goes oh. It's a sound you've gotta know. You can hear when the crow flies low and slow. That O-W goes oh. O-W goes ow. You can hear that sound right now. It's the cat's meow, the dog's bow wow. Yeah, O-W goes ow. Oh, ow. O-W makes both sounds. Oh, ow. Yeah, O-W makes both. Ow! So when your bowl is full of chow, or there's lots of snow to plow, tell me which two letters